Clifford, we have to go to Grandma's. We will be back very soon, says Emily Elizabeth. We will bring back a treat. Her mother shuts the trunk, and soon they drive away. Clifford wants to see Grandma too. He will try to catch up to Emily Elizabeth and her mother. He trots to the ferry. Clifford misses the ferry. He will try to take a plane. Clifford trots to the airport. Sorry, no dogs, says the pilot. Clifford trots to the duck. Sorry, Clifford, says Charlie. You will sink the boat. Hi, Clifford, says T-Bone. Why do you look so grumpy? Emily Elizabeth went to Grandma's. Clifford tells him she will be back soon, says T-Bone. You can trust her. Clifford trots home. He drops down in the grass and feels sad. But soon Emily Elizabeth and her mother come